Welcome to our channel, Get Cooking Now. Goan sausages or choris is loved by everyone in Goa. Today we will prepare a rice dish which is extremely popular and also very easy to make. Our recipe for today is Goan Sausage Pulao or Choris Pulao. Step 1. Soaking the rice. Take 2 cups of long grain Basmati rice. Wash the rice at least 4 to 5 times or until the water runs clear. Then soak the rice in enough water for around 20 to 30 minutes. This will enable the rice to cook nicely and you will also get long grains. Step 2. Preparing the Goan sausages. We have taken around 12 medium-sized Goan sausages, which are also called Choris or Chorizo. You will need around 30 to 32 beads if you are using regular small-sized Goan sausages. The approximate weight is around 250 grams. Using a scissor or your fingers, open up the string. Remove the strings and slowly cut open the covering of the sausages. Remove the sausage meat from inside the covering and place it in a plate or a bowl. Break down the sausage meat into smaller pieces. Sausage meat is ready to use. Step 3. Preparing the other ingredients. Take 2 cinnamon sticks of 1 inch size, 8 black peppercorns, 4 cardamoms, 6 cloves, 1 bay leaf. Take 2 medium-sized onions and cut them fine. 2 medium-sized tomatoes and cut them fine. 1 slit green chili, 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, 2 teaspoons of lime juice, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric or haldi powder, 4 teaspoons of salt depending on your taste preference. Step 4. Preparing the Goan sausage pulao or choris pulao. Place a thick bottom pan on medium-low heat and add 1 tablespoon of cooking oil. Then add 2 tablespoons of ghee or clarified butter. If you're not using ghee, then instead of 1 tablespoon, you can add 3 tablespoons of cooking oil. Once the oil is hot, add the whole spices. Once the spices start to give a nice aroma, add the finely cut onions. Stir everything properly.
If you haven't already subscribed to our channel, do subscribe and press the bell icon to receive a notification whenever we upload a new video.
Once the onions turn slightly translucent, add the ginger garlic paste. Stir continuously to prevent burning and sticking to the bottom of the pan. Once the onions turn translucent, add the tomatoes and green chili. Stir it nicely. Now add turmeric or haldi powder, 1 teaspoon of salt and stir everything. The salt will help the onions cook faster.
If you found this recipe interesting, do press the like button and share your feedback in the comment section below.
Once the tomatoes are soft and mushy, add the sausage meat or choris and stir it so everything gets mixed nicely. Cover and cook for 3 to 4 minutes. Add 1 teaspoon of sugar. This is optional, but it helps in balancing the spice.
If you haven't already subscribed to our channel, do subscribe and press the bell icon to receive a notification whenever we upload a new video.
Once the sausage has released its oil, add the rice after discarding the water in which it was soaked. Mix everything gently to avoid breaking the rice. Stir everything gently. After around a minute or two, add 4 cups or 1 liter of water. Now increase the heat to medium and cook. Add 2 teaspoons of lime juice. This will prevent the rice grains from sticking to each other and also makes the rice fluffier. Stir the rice gently and avoid stirring the rice often, otherwise it will break. Add 2 teaspoons of salt. Stir everything properly. Cover and cook for 2 minutes. Now check again for salt and add if required. We added 1 teaspoon of salt because later, once the water gets absorbed by the rice, it will be difficult to add salt. Cover and cook for 8 to 10 minutes or until there is little water left in the pan, so check occasionally. After 8 to 10 minutes, open the pan. All the ingredients and dry spices will come to the top. Gently mix the rice with a fork. Reduce the heat to very low and place a heavy bottom, flat pan or tawa under the pulao pan. This way, if there is water at the bottom of the pulao pan, it will get absorbed completely without the rice getting burnt. Cover and cook for some time until the pulao is done. Once done, put off the heat and let the pulao remain covered undisturbed for at least 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, open the lid and gently loosen up the rice with a fork. Also remove and discard the dry spices. Your Goan sausage pulao or Choris pulao is ready. Enjoy the Goan sausage pulao while it is still hot. If you have any questions, suggestions or feedback, please write to us in the comment section. Do let us know if you liked this video and see you soon with another interesting Goan recipe.
Check out our other interesting recipes and do subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. Thank you for watching.